Dali.
Hi, Kuya. Happy New Year.
Peace.
And to Michelle, Iniego, and Tamara. Happy New Year. Ikaw, ano sasabihin mo?
Peace nga. Ano ba, si Michelle at saka yung dalawang bata.
Si Michelle yon, yung anak niya. Si Michelle tsaka si Iniego.
Yung wife niya,
Si Tamara.
si Tamara.
Yeah.
Si Michelle yung anak.
Yeah.
Yung anak mo, kamukha ko
Of course.
Ang galing manood ka ng movie namin. Anthony, we have a movie here in LA. BGL. No, I'm just kidding. We will see each other next year, no? December. Huwag ko raw siya batukan.
Hindi December.
Sapakin ko na lang.
hindi niya pa alam yung sasabihin
Ay,
niya sa atin.
before December. O you will let us know siguro yung
Wait na.
kung kailan, October o November.
Palagay ko.
Kung ano mapapag-usapan natin. Okay? Tapos, may commercial eh. Chong! Madali lang ha. Yung nakausap ko.
Oh, si Mike.
Hi Mike! Here's Michael. Sandali, anak. Say hi, come here. Come here.
Ano ba?
Say hi.
Naka-video ka ba?
Si Tito
Yeah.
Anthony.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Bakit nag-post kayo?
Hindi ka picture.
Para kami tanga. Kala namin picture. Nakangiti kami.
Kailangan mo unang auto mo, dadalhin ko si Dinpot sa bahay ng kaibigan.
O sige, halika muna. Say, Happy New Year sa Tagalog.
I don't even know how to say that.
Just say
Happy
happy-
New Year.
Tito Anthony.
Tito Anthony.
Ay, hindi ka nakikita, anak. Right here.
Madali.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Tito Anthony.
Baka natakas ka, ha? Tumatakas. Okay, we'll be right there. Parang commercial eh.
Nakangawit ako.
Don't say bad words.
Ito naman, Anthony. She wants to be all serious and... She wants to be serious. Sabi niya, huwag daw ko siyang batukan. O, di ba?
She always does that.
She's gonna move out of our place, by the way, Anthony. She's just gonna go to the second floor. She's on the fourth floor right now. Sabi niya magiging independent na raw siya. She's gonna go to the second floor. Yun lang. Walang mababago.
Miss you,
makikita.
Kuya. Miss
I'm
you.
gonna, gulo
Sabi
mo?
parang naiiyak ka pa.
Ha? Oh, she wants to cry. Hoy, no crying. No ba
Ayan
to?
na,
Oh my
naiiyak
God. Para kami soap opera.
Oh, kasi tama na. Baka magkaiyak pa tayo.
I love you. Happy New Year.
Happy
We
New
love
Year.
you. We'll see you soon. Bye.